Hello everyone, I'm Stella, and my friends and I are researching on a project called Face Recognition Attendance System. Here we will show a breakdown of our prototype and how our prototype works in a real-life simulation.
Okay, so we input our enrollment numbers and our name, and then take image, and then train image. Then, in the separate files, it will have our full details and the images that were taken from the take image. And then we will have our attendance, choose our subject, then we press fill attendance to take our attendance. The full sheets are provided also with the timestamps, the date, and our names on it. Next and last but not least is the view for the lecturer. The lecturer can view in the sheets as a recap of the students entering the lecture session. Okay, here is our group trying the system, registering all members of the group, and it went successful.